So, Nick, what's this cost versus value report that just came out from Remodeling Magazine?
Well, that tells you the return on investment for various home improvement projects.
Oh, really? That's a cool report. Does garage doors make the list?
Oh, it tops the list every year.
That's great, especially for somebody thinking about replacing their garage door.
Well, we've always known that at Banko Overhead Doors. A new door hits the trifecta. First, it's affordable.
Second, it can be done in just one day.
And third, it generates a great return on investment. According to this report, 102.7%.
Okay, so basically you get your money back and then some in resale value.
Exactly.
And you know what I really like is Banko can even show you what your home will look like with any Clopay Garage Door. You can change them out. It's really simple to use. It's called the Door Imagination System, and it's right on our website.
So if you want to boost your home's curb appeal or help resale, consider a new Clopay Garage Door.
Schedule today at bankodoors.com.